Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you my updated Cardano price prediction because we have seen Bitcoin move $15,000 to the upside in just the span of 9 days. We saw Ethereum move $900 to the upside in the span of 9 days. 30% plus movements on both of those cryptocurrencies, but what we haven't seen is a similar movement out of Cardano just yet, and I think that that might be coming relatively soon. In this video, I'm going to break down why I think a big break to the upside is coming on your favorite contender for the #1 altcoin in the cryptocurrency space, Cardano. So make sure you stay tuned if you care about the Cardano price. Before we get started, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. But without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Starting on my screen here, guys, there are two trend lines that I want to draw you, and I'm going to show them on the 4-hourly chart. The first one is a downtrend that looks a little something like this. Take notice, over just the last couple of hours and the last couple of days, we've actually broken bullish above this trend line. That is a very good sign because we can also draw a trend line of support right here. Cardano had been in this massive symmetrical triangle pattern that has been in effect ever since about midway through August, and now it looks like it is trying to break to the upside. Now, at the time of recording this, we haven't had a bunch of volume come in. We've had some. We haven't seen a massive movement to the upside, but the market does seem to be moving to the upside. And one of the things I want to point out to you actually shows up on the daily chart. If we look at the daily chart right here, we can see that there was a sell signal a while ago here on Cardano when the whole cryptocurrency market crashed on September the 7th, but we have not seen a big rally on Cardano just yet. We saw a large rally on Bitcoin. We saw a large rally on Ethereum, but we have yet to see the same thing happen here on ADA. What I think is going to happen is that there is going to be a movement to the upside as we break through this downtrending level of resistance, and at some point we're going to have a buy signal come in like this one on Lux Algo. By the way, if you guys haven't signed up for Lux Algo, you absolutely should. The link is in the description box down below. I think we are primed and ready for a movement. A couple other reasons why I believe that's true is, number one, there is still bullish RSI divergence that has not played out here on Cardano. Again, on Bitcoin and Ethereum, there was similar bullish RSI divergence, but their bullish RSI divergence has played out. Hasn't happened yet on Cardano. Also, you can see just a few days ago, on October the 2nd, there was a bullish MACD cross on the daily chart, and I think that that bullish MACD cross on the daily chart is going to lead to upward movement, because the last time we saw one, right back over here on July the 23rd, there was a rally. Before that, there was one, and there was a rally. Historically, MACD crosses are very bullish for the daily chart. Moving on here, we can also look at Market Cipher, which is another indicator that we bring this channel to you by. You can see that this blue area, which is called the momentum, is moving to the upside. That is a good early warning sign that there might be about to be a big move to the upside on Cardano. But looking down here on the shorter term time frames on the 4-hourly chart, we can also see a couple of other things. Namely, there was a strong buy signal here on Lux Algo just a little while ago, and that strong buy signal might be indicative that there is going to be a movement to the upside at some point in the near-term future. Normally, a strong buy signal on the 4-hourly chart will precede a strong buy signal on the daily chart. Look, guys, this is a short video because it's actually very simple. Cardano follows Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, look, Cardano does do its own thing sometimes, but for the most part, it follows the lead of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum both just added literally about $400 billion worth of market capitalization combined to each other, about 300 in Bitcoin, 100 to 150 in Ethereum, and Cardano got next to nothing. I think that Cardano is massively undervalued right now compared to the rest of the cryptocurrency market, so here's where I think it's going to go. Looking down on the 4-hourly chart, if we do break to the upside, how might that look? Well, there are a couple of levels that we need to take into account. Number one, our previous all-time high on Cardano was $2.45. That is an obvious level that Cardano, I think, is going to be rallying to in just the next several days. We also see touches on that level here, here, and here. But above that, there are also other levels sitting up here at $2.80, which is our previous high over here on September the 11th and September the 12th. Furthermore, if we use our Fibonacci retracement, we can see that Fibonacci would call a rally up to about $2.69 to $2.73 here in the golden pocket. So those are some of the levels that I think Cardano could go to. Number one, we're looking at $2.45, previous all-time high. Number two, this zone here on Fibonacci. And number three, $2.80. And by that time, we'll likely be rounding back up to all-time high, so we probably wouldn't stop there. That's my opinion on Cardano, and that's how I think we're going to get there. I want to hear your opinions in the comment section down below. Are we about to see a massive rally on Cardano or not? Why do you think Cardano hasn't followed Bitcoin and Ethereum just yet, and do you think it's around the corner? If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that like button and tell 10 of your friends about the channel if you think that they can get value from what we are doing here here on the Crypto Jebb YouTube page. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.